the sea. Catching fish is where I'll be, come rain or sunny skies. I'm gonna grab my fishing line, yes, we're taking out some time. That's fishing. This has been a fishing tale, just like Jonah and the whale. No place I'd rather be. Yes, we're casting out a line, everybody's feeling fine. That's fishing. That's fishing. Yeah, that's fishing.
Okay, wait. Zip. Well guys, we're about to go fishing jet boat style with jet fish and have a look at my new weapon here. This is an absolute beauty. I don't know how fast it goes, but it certainly looks like a missile. So we're about to head out and go trout fishing in the river. Apparently it's a drift fishing style where you cast lures and even a plastic mouse. So we're keen to look at the plastic mouse side, but we're excited as hell. The Colonel's got 3 legs. I'm not far behind, but I've got to tell you, this is just fantastic. So stay tuned, we're going to get on to some real action. Unbelievable, bloody
Some spots are always better than others.
You got to chase it, I'm on too.
Yeah, oh, there we go.
Whoa,
Whoa.
jumping.
Oh, got that.
Just trying to stay connected.
Oh.
That's awesome. This is going crazy. We're chasing both fish. Mate, we've got both hooked up, chasing fish.
And the skipper's here, mate, and you're hooked up too, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm hooked up. Got about a 3 pound rainbow.
Yep, very. It's
Yeah,
3
about
pounds.
a 3 pound rainbow, yeah.
Yeah, beauty,
Yeah,
mate. Look at
real.
that. He's driving, fishing, and you're just talking to the teacher.
Mate, I think I'm dragging mine upstream now.
Sucks to be me, doesn't it?
Okay, here we go.
Oh. This is unreal.
When they go, they go.
Yeah.
Here he comes, what a beautiful fish.
Yeah.
You net them
Oh,
out.
look at that.
Yep.
Oh, he's
Oh.
chasing it. Oh, he's gone.
No, there he is.
He doesn't like the net. Yeah, I'll slide it up a bit. Take a bit of line off. Geez, he doesn't want to give up, does he?
No, under the
Oh,
boat.
he's under the boat.
We've got to get him before the rapids roll up.
Got it.
Oh, look at that.
Thanks,
Go round again.
Go around again. Hang on, Eric.
Hang on.
We got the rapids just there, guys.
This fish, this is awesome.
And
Rainbow. Have a look at this. Look
we
at that.
got Eric's.
Get a little bit of a,
Mate, how you feeling?
oh, that's just beautiful. They fight like crazy.
Yeah.
Can't believe how much they fight. Yes, he's pretty badly, yeah.
Netted. Oh well. We've still got the other one just here at the back of the boat. We'll bring him in a minute.
Looks like male too.
Yeah.
This is so typical to that fishing. Complete organised chaos. Yeah.
We'll give it a little bit of free slack line.
Yeah, we'll get him off and we'll show you in a minute. There we go. Mate, you get your arm out the way, Eric.
We'll let him go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. All right.
Beautiful.
Right, let's get this one. Where's he? There he is. Look at that. Hope you can see him. There he is. What a beautiful looking fish. Brought him in. Yeah, mate.
Good 3.5 pound.
Yep. I'll just zoom in on him. Look at that. Oh, well, better get him back in and get a couple more. What do you reckon? There we go. What a ripper of a fish. Going off you go.
Oh, this is grass.
Awesome, isn't it? There's a rock. You're on again, mate.
You're on again. Oh, he's right here too.
Oh,
he's under the boat.
under the boat.
Come back.
Put the rod in if we come around to you.
There he is. Oh, he's gone again.
Come on, baby.
What a strength if they got some power, eh?
Yeah, they have. It's incredible. They're in the back now.
Where is he? Just there. There we go. It's a bit hard to see him in the water. But,
Under the boat. Come on.
yeah, he's a fighter, isn't he?
Yeah, they don't want to give up easy. There it is.
Yeah, got him.
Beauty.
What a beautiful looking
Come on
fish.
out. Show the camera.
Just on dusk now, wasn't it?
What a beautiful fish.
Yeah, absolutely.
Trying to get him out. He's a bit wrapped up, but
Yep.
I'll show you the fish and then we'll get the lure out. Wow. What a beautiful rainbow. Look at that.
Even though he's got a bit of net
It's a
around
male
it,
too.
Good.
Yeah,
Male.
Yeah, I'll
All right.
try and get the lure out.
Hey. Try to get a photo, mate.
Yeah, I've got a little bit of a job here, so.
All right. I'll just put the camera down and get the other camera.
Yeah, that's fishing. Yeah, that's fishing.
Right, hi and welcome to That's Fishing. I'm Mark Wallace and you're on FishJet Te Aneo. We do charter trout fishing on the Upper Waiau River. So we've got Eric and Brian out today and we're hopefully going to hook into some nice big rainbow trout for them. So sit back and relax and see if we can get onto some of these beauty trout. We've got the perfect day today. So.
Oh, isn't it sunny? How good do you get it out here?
It's always like this.
Perfect one day, better the next.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Yeah,
Nice rainbow.
it's a beautiful rainbow. Don't go too tough on him. He needs to run. A wee bit too much. Yeah.
I'll let you
That's
get
a
in
male
there.
too.
It's a nice fish.
That is very nice. Beautiful colours.
He's not finished yet.
He's not finished yet, no. Going alongside the boats on here, but anyway.
Climb across.
I will.
Don't get out of the way, mate. We're used to Eric climbing around boats.
Oh yeah, usually got about a 50-pound stingray on or something. Come on.
This one isn't 50 pound, but it might be 40.
It's not bad.
He's a good fish. I imagine he'll go for.
Yeah, looks that way. Okay. The boy's about done.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Hold this one up and take a snap.
Nice looking fish. fish, mate.
Beautiful fish. What is he? Well done, Eric. Oh, no,
Bit over
3.5 nearly.
3.5?
Yep.
Oh, good stuff.
I might grab one of those towels, please, Ken.
That's a beautiful 3.5 pound rainbow,
Yeah.
Mark.
He's been feeding well, his guts is tight.
Very beautiful fish.
Yeah.
The colours are just sensational. The red line is glistening in the sun there.
Yeah.
Superb. Good fighters. They're really spirited.
Right.
Excellent.
Now we might just give him his freedom. You just give them a nice relaxing release, so he'll swim away on his own accord when he's ready. Just work the water through his gills, nice and gentle. Come on. There he is. Come on. And he's away. He's swimming away there.
Why?
He's away.
Good stuff, mate.
Congratulations, well done, Eric.
Thanks, mate. Thank
We're
you.
in business.
Beautiful.
My turn.
Right.
Your turn.
Get a car down into the car water fry.
Move out a little bit. Maybe start up.
Mark's on a beautiful rainbow.
He's a nice big one, this one.
Come through it, do what you gotta do, mate.
The main thing is not to lose him. Everything else is
Hey!
bigger fish we actually drive the boat to them, like marlin fishing.
Oh, okay.
This one will come in, mate. Over there. Best to keep the tension on these rainbows, they're pretty feisty. Any slack, they spit the hooks. Really make you work with it.
Beautiful. Well done. I'll have to start up.
Yep.
That will start up now.
We're just going to have to start up, it gets a bit shallow there.
Go straight in on there, Mark. That's a nice fish. That's a beautiful, beautiful fish.
That's a good YL 3-pounder, that one. Well done. Colours in them, beautiful. Yeah.
That's one.
What's it saying now?
Yeah, it's recording.
There we go. No, he's not. Come up near you. Am I going to hit a rock? Over the log.
Cruising him up.
We're down to one hook in them.
We are.
Better get this net. Here we go. Well done. Congratulations. Well, and the hook's out.
I finally got my first fish. First fish, not as big as the others.
Couple of
pretty
pound though. He's a nice
Yeah.
rainbow. Yep.
Beautiful fish. And get a pick now.
Are you happy?
Oh, I'm happy. I think we'll celebrate with a few drinks on the way home, duty free.
There we go.
I can't wait that long.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Beautiful. There we go.
There we go.
That's
Put him
a
back
happy
in.
camper.
Now we'll
Happy
put him
fisherman.
back in. Oh, there we go, mate. Oh, there's no mucking around with that. Now, that's fishing.
Yeah, that's fishing. Yeah, that's fishing.
Well, g'day and welcome to That's Fishing. Today we're talking about eskies. Now, a lot of people have asked me about eskies and what do we do about keeping our bait fresh on our beautiful boat. Now, that's a very good question from a lot of people. Now, in the past, we've struggled a bit by keeping our bait fresh as possibly can and frozen as long as possible. Also to do with our drinks, our food, combination of a lot of different things. Now, Techni Ice have come to the party for us, guys, and they have come up with this brilliant concept, this brand new esky. Now, let me explain why, and I have to show you this. This new esky is a double sealed esky. It's almost like your fridge at home. In fact, pretty much that close to it's not even funny. Now, what I'm going to show you is these two seals. We've got an outer seal which seals down on the lip of the actual esky itself, and the other one, which is, if you feel it, it's really soft like your fridge at home. So if you go to your fridge at home and feel that rubber seal that seals the doors, it's exactly the same. Now, they are saying you can fill this thing up with ice, frozen bait, your drinks, whatever you need. If you're going camping or four-wheel driving, anything like that, you put it, and it will last literally days and days and days. Because of this new concept, it keeps the cold in as long as possible. And also, they've made the sides of these, as you can see, much, much thicker. Also, they've done it in the big one, which you see under us. They've even got a small little carry one to carry a few nice cool cans as well. And of course, this beautiful little lunch box one. Now, this one is a soft bag, and what it is, it's silver inside, as you can see, and it's about 1 inch thick. And I've actually got padding or insulation inside this, and you can throw your cold drinks in it. At the end of the day, they're still frozen, they're still cold. It's really, really unbelievable. Now, for any information about this, go to thatsfishing.com.au and check out these beautiful, absolutely beautiful eskies. Get one on your boat. Fair income, I'm not mucking around. Get one on your boat. Oh, yeah. There we go. Keep tension on him. Yep. Oh. Beautiful looking fish. Yeah. That's a nice looking fish. Right, bring him up beside the boat. There we go. Well done. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, hey. No. Number 2. Yeah. That's a better fish. We'll just get him out of the bag.
I might just get the pliers from off the trunk there.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Bit tangled up.
Yeah, easy.
Well, there you go, number 2. Hey! There we go. Now that's fishing.
That is fishing.
Thank you. Thanks, mate. I'll
No
put it
worries.
down and thank you very much.
No.
So when you get here to New Zealand, go to thatsfishing.com.au and you'll find him. He might even take you.
I'd love to.
Yeah. Don't worry, he's a Kiwi, he's safe. His driving's a little second hand, but...
We haven't got you home yet, Brian.
Oh, well, we'll get there, won't we?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll get a photo.
Yeah. Oh, well done.
Well needed.
Well needed.
Well, that didn't take long, did it?
That's a seasoned professional on the net.
You like that?
Got him on the run. Perfect. Oh, look at that. There was another. I thought it got off. I see one swimming away.
Look at that.
That's a beautiful.
Oh. Yeah, I'll bring him up.
Oh,
That's another nice
Amazing when it comes, this one.
Just hold on there. Congratulations.
thank you. Number 3.
Number 3, geez. We're in business now.
We are.
You tricked us with that slow start, Brian.
Yeah. Stealth, mate.
Stealth, yeah.
Well, that's what I'm sticking to anyway.
No, it works.
It works.
Another beautiful rainbow, guys.
Say cheers.
Sensational.
What's
Cheers.
this? Number 6?
Oh yeah, I don't know. Lost count, mate. There's that many. It's a female too, I think, this one.
Chris, that's my wife on the board.
Is it?
Yeah.
And his wife is coming. We'll get her on film. What do you reckon?
Yeah, put her on there.
Yeah.
Brian.
Christine.
Hi Brian, how are
Say
you?
hi to the camera.
No.
No. Well, guys, we've had an absolute fantastic day today. I caught 3 or 4 trout, and I think I threw back at least that again.
At least.
And Eric he nailed me right good and proper. I think, yeah, I mean, you catch about 8.
Oh, I don't know. I lost count after about 8 or 10 or something, but it was fantastic. Thanks very much to Mark. That was one of the best days I've ever had in my life on the water.
Yes.
I just love fishing. I just love getting out there.
Yes.
Mate, without a doubt, it's just the best thing. It's probably the highlight of the trip. It's just been sensational.
Yep.
The boat goes like an absolute
This boat.
rocket. Jumps over logs and all sorts of stuff we discovered today.
Today, yeah, on the way back, you hoon.
And,
I thought us Aussies were the hoons.
Yeah, Mark drives like a demon,
Yes.
and just absolutely sensational. So we've had an absolute ball.
Yes, mate.
We did a night fish with Ken the other night.
Yep.
So we got a bunch of trout as well, and today we must have caught, what do you reckon, about 20 all up? I'd say
all up.
between
All
us.
up,
I think we
about
did.
20
yeah.
good
Everyone
trout.
easy 20.
Everyone
Yep.
got quite a few in the boat.
And the most beautiful river. What's the river called?
The YL.
The
Why-
YL.
Yeah, we were in
YL
the
River.
upper YL,
Upper YL.
Wow.
between Lake Manapuri and Lake Tianio.
Yeah.
No, seriously, guys, if go to that'sfishing.com.au and I'll have all his information online by the time I get back to Oz. I hope. No, I will put it on. And seriously, give this guy a call and get out here. And seriously, the best part of this trip, I reckon, today was the hoot on the way home on the jet boat.
Oh, fantastic.
We had fish nearly jumping in the boat.
Yeah.
Nearly jumped onto the Colonel's head, which would have been
Yes.
really funny. But one thing's for sure, we're going to sleep like babies on the plane because we're pretty well worn out. We've fished for about 6 days in a row. And I don't know about you, but I'm pretty knackered.
Yes.
Anyway.
So, time for a pizza and a beer and...
And lie down.
well, that's tomorrow, the aeroplane, isn't it?
That's
Yeah,
right.
we're on the plane tomorrow morning. So
Oh, well, it's been
this time tomorrow we should be home.
Been awesome. So anyway, guys, we hope you liked our episode on the
From
YO River.
New Zealand.
Fishing
So,
for trout, fishing for
Yeah,
all sorts
everything.
of stuff this week's been absolutely awesome.
Yeah.
And thanks again to Mark.
no
Good on you,
worries.
mate.
No worries.
And
Been great hosting you.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it.
much appreciated.
Eric, Mark, myself, the Colonel, from New Zealand special. Thanks for watching.
That's fishing.